Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix follow limit reached on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Facebook application right here. And before we proceed to the steps, one thing that you should know is that Facebook only limits 5,000 followings per account. So if the error shows that you have reached the follow limit, that means that you have already followed 5,000 pages or accounts on your Facebook. So the solution that you can do is to actually unfollow one page that you, let's say you already don't have any interest in, and then after unfollowing that page or that account, you can then follow a certain page or an account again. So to unfollow a page, let's say I want to unfollow this page right here, just click on their profile and you should be able to see the following option if you are currently following them. So just click on following right here and these three options should show up. So what you're going to do is to just click on this unfollow option like that, and the number of your followings should decrease, and then you should be able to follow someone or a page again. So that is how you can basically fix follow limit reached on Facebook. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.